Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lifa. I go by the name The Inheritance. Anghambi ngodwa, ngiphethe uSifiso on the keys. I hope you guys enjoy asisonke ku soft session, ku soft network. Let me just give you one song. By the way, I'm a peer educator, but I'm not here for that. I'm a musician, I'm a vocalist. So let me just give you one song. One song. I'm gonna do Ringo, Ngeke Ndakulibala. Ngeke Ndakulibala. Nanini nang uyohlala uhlele ngqondweni yami. Uyinto yonke kum nakum. Ngeke ndakulibala. Nanini na uyohlala uhlele ngqondweni yami. Uyinto yonke kum nakum. Tile oh atanana. Tile yo atanana. Tile tanana. Tile tanana. I love this verse. Come on. Angeke ndakulibala. Nanini na yo uyohlala uhlele ngqondweni yami. Uyinto yonke kum nakum. Wozadali, wosasweetie. Akawubambi maqondana wakho. Wozadali, wosasweetie. Wozadali, wosa baby. Wozadali, wosa sweetie, love you wami. Wosa baby. Wozadali, wosa sweetie. Wozadali. Was a sweetie. I hope you guys were blessed. I hope you guys are blessed. Alright, let me tell you about Lifa. Lifa is a very young man who was born in Mpumalanga in Nelspruit, Emangozeni. One thing that I can tell you is I started to discover that I have a calling, or I can say I have a talent. Because sometimes lots of people we have it's okay. I have this thing which when you sing, you bless people. When you sing, you heal people. Sometimes so I started to discover that in a talent since I was in primary. And then there was this friend of mine who introduced me to Joyous Celebration. And then I started enjoying Joyous Celebration. And then after that I was like, no man, saying it's into gospel. Let me just check something. Relax and do everything. And then we started other genres like jazz, Afro pop and all that. So yeah, let me just tell you a story. Tina we grew up my mother bekayi-1, so ubaba wami was not there. So by that time, if angekho mama beka strugglisha to do everything, nakumela fonele papa, they have to struggle because hayibo kanjani mama thethe sidinga imali bantwana, we want money, bantwana they want to go to a trip and all that, but then ubaba angayithumela imali. So there was this song leya connected to me when I was listening to it. It says thumela imali. I was like, this situation, the person I can also relate to my situation. So be blessed as you're going to do thumela imali. Thumela imali tata, thumela imali ekhaya, thumela imali tata, thumela imali ekhaya. Bek no banjani na ngaphandle komama, kaloku tata uye washiya no mama, uthi uzobuya usayophangela imali, kodwa namhlanje akakabuyela ekhaya, ngoba utata akazange abuye namali, akazange abuyele ekhaya, akazange abuye namali. Tata buyele ekhaya, siyabulela mama ngokusikhulisa kwakhe, kungekho mali umama ebeqolela ukungatyi, singakathethi na ngumama yedwa, kodwa namhlanje sithi siyabulela mama, ngoba utata akazange abuye namali, akazange abuyele ekhaya, sithi silindile akazange abuye namali. Tata buyele ekhaya, kulungile hlala kanjalo, kulungile yo, kulungile ubomi buhamba kanjalo. Tata buyele ekhaya, ngoba utata akazange abuye namali, akazange abuyele ekhaya, akazange abuye namali. Tata buyele ekhaya, oh buyele ekhaya, oh buyele ekhaya, oh buyele ekhaya, tata buyele ekhaya. All right, I'm just gonna do my last song. Uyabona bekunalentokazi, yabo ngathi nje ngisesikoleni secondary, I met this person man, ngathi nangimbuka noma ngabe ngihlele endlini nakumele ngibhale homework ngiqabanga kayithunga lesithando ukuthi wow this girl Nkosi yami, oh my. So there was this song engathi nangihlabela ngathi, you know what, I want to sing this song for her. So I practice until I was like, okay, I'm ready now to deliver it. Come on, I'm gonna do uvuma. Angisafuna ukuqabanga kuthi kukhona longqono kunawe, angisafuna ukuqabanga baby kuthi kukhona lo mhleko nawe angisafuna ukuqabanga baby kuthi kukhona lo ngqono kunawe ngidikhanza ngiguqe ngemadolo nalenda ndathoye dayimani esandleni sakhe qela kunye nje kuphela baby 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 yo ngicela kunye nje kuphela baby oh 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 qela kunye nje kuphela baby lamhlang ngidibanisa mina nawe ngithi sibe munye kukhanye phakade lamhlang ngidibanisa mina nawe ngithi sibe munye ingona phakade Fuma baby fumang 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 fuma baby fumang 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 fuma baby fumang 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 qela kukushada baby fumang 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 fuma baby fumang 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 angisafuna ukuqabanga kuthi kukhona lo ngqono kunawe yeah angisafuna ukuqabanga ya 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 ayikothe kukhona lo mhleko thank you so much thank you all right come on 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 all right uyasithola ku Facebook ungathi leaking uthole yonke igroup yethu siyatholakala na ku Twitter @lifa Cijimbi and then also na ku WhatsApp ma numbers ethu mangabe wadinga uwathola ku Facebook if kunguthi yasidinga sikhona for ma party sikhona for any event we are flexible we can do all the genres loads sidinga kuwo so brother Sifiso utoshayela isolo a very nice solo sikhala isiginci sakhe enhlizweni yami umazumamatheka ngivele ngisule ngibona ubuhle bakho ikhanda lizule ngoba vele kuthi uma ngicabanga kuthanda intombi enhle kangaka sengicabangile ngoba ngiyosebenza yo wangenza umuntu ungibona mina ngiyakuthanda wangenza umuntu ungibona mina ngiyakuthanda asambe kwi-chorus anginamali futhi anginakari thando lwami luhlala luhlezi kuwe ingakho ngithi khale sakhe isiginci enhlizweni yami lenqondo yami yahlala icinga ngawe. Thank you, alright. Ngati Musa, thank you so much for everything. Thank you, Musa. I love you, Musa.
Don't forget to subscribe on the Soft Network.
Like, comment, share.
Yeah. Juliano.
Taushi.
Where's El Kido? Yeah, El Kido, come sing. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, to like the Soft Sessions, yo.
Type shit.
The whole
Hit that
team is
subscribe
here,
button,
yo.
man.